this video guys, I'm going to show you how you can change your Facebook page name from your laptop just in few seconds. Okay, so let's get started. So what you need to do first is you need to open your page on Facebook like this, and you will go to your home page. You should have a home page like this one, okay? And you should see over here setting, okay? Click over here on setting like this. You will be directly in this page over here, and as you can see, general page setting. Okay, so you have name and you have username. What you will do, you should see name, click over here on edit, okay, like this. And what you will do, you will put your new name here that you want to add, as you can see. Then you will click over here on review change, and then you will click on confirm, and that's it. That's how you can change your Facebook page name from your laptop. Thank you so much for watching guys. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, leave a comment, and see you in my next video.